Bonnie, happy Friday night. Check it out. I've got a whole haul of HOMEWORX candles to share with you. This was actually part of the candles that HOMEWORX sent me for free as part of the influencer program. I was so excited. So last week, I applied to be an influencer at HOMEWORX. I got accepted into the program, which means if you use the code Bonnie10 with the link, you get 10% off of your order of $60 or more. Now, I know this weekend, I think they're doing a 20% off sale, site-wide, automatically applied to your cart. So you might still be able to use the code. On top of that, I would check to see, I'm not sure yet. But one of the first things they sent me as like a welcome gift were 4 candles. So that like made my day. Then I went ahead and I ordered myself. I've got the strawberry milkshake one and the orange dreamsicle coming. Is it orange dreamsicle or orange creamsicle? I don't care. It's orange. I'm so excited for that one. You guys, that's like going to make my day getting that candle. You know how much I love orange candles. It's the orange creamsicle. I don't know why I was thinking dreamsicle. It's a dream. So anyway, I'm going to unbox these 4 candles that HOMEWORX sent me. I don't know the cadence with which they send new candles to influencers, but we'll find out. I'm really excited about this program. I was in touch with the woman that ran it, and they're wonderful people. I'm so excited to be working with HOMEWORX. This is awesome. So going to dig into this box first. So I got a giant box in the mail. It was huge. And then inside the box were 4 additional boxes. HOMEWORX packs very well. I've ordered from HOMEWORX before. I've never had any breakage. So what they do is inside the box, they've got an egg crate that you put the candle in. Oh my gosh, look at this! This one is called Sea Breeze. Check this out. I will be reviewing each of these candles. Oh, that's pretty. This is like a beachy island, a little bit of beach grass in there maybe. You know what I like about this? You know I have the beachy decor in my house in the summer. So yeah, that's like right up my alley. I'm excited about that one. It's funny, like probably about May, I start to just decorate, after Easter, usually after Mother's Day, I start to just put up like all my beachy decor, and then I keep my beachy decor up like all summer. It's just easier that way. I add in a couple of other things like for the 4th of July and stuff, but for the most part, I do beachy. Oh my gosh, look at this Apricot Cobbler. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to smell this one. This one I bet is amazing. This one smells so good, you guys. So when you open a HOMEWORX, there's like a little plastic topper here, and then they also put a dust cover. Look at this wax, how pretty that is. It's like a nice light orange, but I kind of like the way HOMEWORX does their candles. These are 4-wick candles, by the way, and they're really hefty. I think these are 18 ounce, I want to say. Yep, 18 ounce candles, and then of course you get the Harry Slatkin lid. So that is super pretty. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, let me see what else I got here. This is so exciting, you guys. Oh my gosh. Dig into this one. Well packed. I love the way they pack everything. Oh, this is pretty for spring. Orchid and sweetgrass. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning in person. I'm going to put this on my back shelf. I like green behind me. It just reflects well when I'm filming. Oh my gosh, you guys. This one smells grassy, but I kind of like it. You know what? It's got purple. Is that purple wax? It's purple, you guys. Look at this. It's purple. I gotta look at the scent notes in this one. There's something sweet about this one that I like. So that one is super pretty. And then, check it out. The 4th one. The 4th one's in a different style box, and I don't know why. It's just wrapped a little bit different. For some reason, they put this one in paper. It's well wrapped. Oh, this is the, oh my gosh, you guys, this is the Mandarin pink grapefruit. Look at this one. You guys know how much I love grapefruit. Oh, that's nice. This is a super fruity one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this one. Look at the orange wax in there. Oops, dust cover fell off. That's pretty. Yeah, so I'm excited about these. You know what? I love the way they gave me too a mix. Go grab Coco one more time, you guys. Squirrel. So, I really wanted to grab the scent notes for this Apricot Cobbler because there's something in here that's really like making me happy. It is juicy apricot, pie crust, clover honey, brown sugar, and vanilla cream. I think it's the clover honey, you guys. I do pick up like a little bit of a honey note in here with the vanilla cream. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one is so nice. Cold. Here, I'll give that one to my mom. She's standing here going, can I smell those? These are that nice. I know. I know. We're like, the whole family's like, let me smell, let me smell, let me smell. I'm gonna look up the orchid and sweetgrass really quick too. This one is, what is this one? It is stream orchid, sweetgrass, lotus water, and musk. I think it's the orchid. Smell this. My mom is going to go crazy over that one. That is right up my mom's alley.
Oh.
Isn't that one nice? I know! I knew she would love that one. My mom's stealing that one. So anyway, thank you so much to HOMEWORX for accepting me into the influencer program. I'm excited, you guys. This is an awesome, awesome honor here. I'm beyond thankful to HOMEWORX for having an influencer program. And I will be reviewing all of these candles really soon. Thank you, as always, for watching, and don't forget you can use that code Bonnie10 on your purchases. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. My mother's taking it from me.